In today's manufacturing world, downtime is costly. But what if we told you there's a way to reduce it significantly? Enter digital twin technology. Every part of your factory, each machine, every component has a digital counterpart in the virtual world. This means you can test those parts for resilience faster than ever before. While you can't fast-forward reality, you can fast-forward the simulation, predicting when parts will fail long before they do. By pinpointing which parts are likely to break down, manufacturers can secure replacements in advance, cutting down on costly delays and minimizing downtime. With digital twin technology, factories are becoming smarter. Manufacturers can access real-time data from anywhere at any time. This technology is changing the way we manufacture, reducing costs, improving efficiency, and ensuring everything runs like clockwork. Digital twin technology isn't just a trend, it's the future of manufacturing, and it's already here. Eclipse Automation, part of Accenture. We design and build the future. EclipseAutomation.com